your balloon will automatically Hello! Today I will be teaching you how to twist and curl long balloons. There are two easy ways to do that. So first, you have to get your 260Q balloons, and then you will be needing 160Q balloons. This is smaller. So you insert your 160Q inside your 260Q balloons. So when you finally inserted the 160Q inside, you tie a knot at the bottom. You hold the 160Q inside and tie a knot. Make sure that the 160Q is locked inside. So now you inflate the 260Q while holding the 160Q. So it will pull the balloons while you inflate. So it's like this. So your balloon will automatically curl like this. And then release some air while you curl it some more. And then tie it. There you go. There's your curl balloon. Another way to do it is by using a pole. So you get 160Q or any rubber band which you will use to hold your balloons. And just tie it in your pole. And then you get your 260Q and stretch it. And stretch it. Then inflate. So your balloon will be stretched. Inflate all the way to the end. And then release the air. And then you clip the tip of your 260Q and roll it flat to your pole. There. And then you inflate it. then release some air and tie it. So here's our curl balloons using a pole, and this is the curl balloon using the 160Q. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.